Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change or how to adjust the opacity of the Assistive Touch button on your iPad. So the first step is to open Settings, and in Settings scroll and select the option Accessibility. From here choose Touch, then select Assistive Touch. Next, look for the option labeled Idle Opacity and tap on it. And so from here, use the slider that you're given to either increase or decrease the opacity of your Assistive Touch button. So you'll notice that as you increase or as you move the slider, the button is adjusting to whatever selection you're making. Then once you find the perfect opacity, you can just let go and exit the Settings app. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.